What if I told you that one small money habit is keeping millions of people trapped in debt, and most don't even realize they're doing it? Imagine checking your bank account on payday. For a brief moment, you feel relieved, then the bills start rolling in. Rent, credit card payments, car loan, buy now, pay later, utility bills. Before the week is over, your paycheck is gone. Now here's the scary part. For many people, this cycle repeats every single month for years. But today, I'm going to show you the same principles that have helped countless people escape debt. Not by getting lucky or becoming rich overnight, but by changing a few financial habits that most people overlook. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final strategy is surprisingly simple, yet it can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Most people think debt is an income problem. Sometimes it is, but more often, it's a behavior problem. Think about this. Imagine trying to fill a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, the bucket never fills up. That's exactly how debt works. Many people work overtime, pick up side hustles, even receive salary increases, yet they still can't get ahead. Why? Because every extra dollar disappears before it has a chance to build wealth. Here's something that surprises many people. The goal isn't to earn more first. The goal is to stop financial leaks. Once you understand this, everything changes. But before you make your first extra payment, there's something even more important you need to do. Most people avoid looking at their debt because it feels uncomfortable. But ignoring debt doesn't make it smaller. It makes it more expensive. Today, write down every single debt you owe, every credit card, every loan, every financing agreement. Write down the balance, the interest rate, the minimum payment, and the due date. Don't rely on memory. Seeing everything on one page gives you something incredibly powerful: control, and here's why that matters. The next decision you make could determine whether you're debt-free years earlier. You've probably heard people argue about the best way to pay off debt. The truth is, there isn't one perfect method. There are two. The first is called the debt snowball. Pay off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Every time one debt disappears, you roll that payment into the next. Those quick wins create momentum. The second is the debt avalanche. Instead of attacking the smallest balance, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate. This usually saves the most money over time. So which one should you choose? If motivation is your biggest obstacle, choose the snowball. If your priority is paying less interest, choose the avalanche. Because the best plan isn't the smartest one, it's the one you'll actually finish. But neither strategy works if you keep making one expensive mistake. Let's fix that next. Here's something financially successful people do differently. Whenever unexpected money comes in, they don't celebrate first. They pay themselves first by paying down debt. Tax, refunds, bonuses, cash gifts, freelance income, money from selling things they no longer use. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "How much freedom can this money buy me?" Now here's another strategy most people never try. Call your lender. Seriously, ask whether they can lower your interest rate. Ask whether hardship programs are available. Ask whether your payments can be restructured. The worst answer you'll get is no. The best answer could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And the next strategy might be the fastest way to speed up your debt payoff. There's a limit to how much you can save, but there's almost no limit to how much you can earn. This doesn't mean working yourself into exhaustion forever. Think of it as a temporary mission. Deliver food, freelance online, sell unused electronics, offer graphic design, photography, tutoring, weekend jobs. Everything extra goes toward one goal: buying your freedom. Even an additional $200 every month can completely change your debt payoff timeline. Small amounts become life-changing when they're consistent. But there's one final step. Miss this, and many people end up right back where they started. Imagine finally paying off every loan, only to fall back into debt 6 months later because your heart broke down. That's why an emergency fund matters. Even a few $100s creates breathing room. Automate your savings. Track your spending every week. And before every major purchase, ask yourself one question. Is this bringing me closer to financial freedom or taking me further away? That simple question can stop thousands of dollars of unnecessary spending before it ever happens. Debt isn't a life sentence. It's a financial problem with a financial solution. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Start today. Write down every debt. Choose your payoff strategy. Make one extra payment this month, because one day you'll make your very last payment. And when that moment comes, every dollar you earn will finally start building your future instead of paying for your past. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Talk, and share this video with someone who's fighting to become debt-free. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with the very next decision you make.